I'm your English ma'am Urmil Joshi from Arden Progressive School. So students, before moving to the next chapter of grammar, first I would like to tell you that what is noun, because this chapter is related to noun. So what is noun? You all know noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So students, if I am giving any name, that is Ram. You can see the picture. This is the picture of a boy, that is Ram. So students, Ram is the name of a person. So how you will come to know that whether Ram is a boy or a girl? How you will come to know? So my today's topic is genders. My topic is genders. So gender tells us whether the noun is a boy, male or female, common and neuter. So genders tells us whether the noun is male, female, both male and female, or thing. So with the help of gender, we come to know that whether the noun is male, female, both male and female, or thing. So today the topic is genders. Genders are of, the definition again, gender tells us whether the noun is male, female, both male and female, or thing. So gender tells us whether the noun is male, female, both male and female, that is common, and thing. So here are four kinds of genders in your English grammar. There are four kinds of gender. You will study four kinds of gender. So first is masculine gender. Masculine gender. Masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. Third is common gender. And last, fourth is neuter gender. So there are four kinds of gender in English grammar. So first is masculine gender. Noun that denotes to males. Noun that denotes to males. So you all know that what is noun? Name of a person, place, animal or thing. So here we are talking about name of persons or animals. Noun, name of a person or animals. So noun that tells us, that denotes the noun is male is called masculine gender. Noun that denotes to male persons or animals. सो जो भी नाउन मेल्स को डिनोट करते हैं दैट इज मैस्कुलिन जेंडर, दैट डिनोट्स टू मेल्स. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉय, boy is noun, name of a person, and boy denotes to male. That's why boy is masculine gender. With the example you will come to know that the boy is a male person. So you will say that boy is masculine gender. Father, father is also masculine gender. Father. This is also a name of a person and it denotes to male. This noun denotes to males. Like this, dog. Dog is a name of an animal. This is the name of an animal and the dog denotes to males. So again, this is masculine gender. ये भी आपका क्या है? Masculine gender. Next example is priest. P-R-I-E-S-T, priest. Priest means होता है बच्चों पुजारी. That is also male and masculine gender. This is also the example of masculine gender. Horse, lion. These are the examples of masculine gender. You will come to know that the noun is male. So these are the examples of masculine gender. Lion, horse. These are the examples of masculine gender. Now the next is feminine gender. Second is feminine gender. Feminine gender. So feminine gender, noun that tells us या that denotes females. जो females को denote करते हैं, like me, I am also female, so I am feminine gender. Okay, so feminine gender, the noun that denotes females are called feminine genders. So I have told in masculine gender boy. Boy is masculine, so feminine of boy will be girl. Girl is feminine. Girl denotes to female. Next, father I have told you in masculine gender and feminine of father. Female of father, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, mummy. Next, horse. Horse is male, masculine gender, and mare. Mare is the feminine of horse. Dog. Dog is again male and feminine of dog is bitch. B-I-T-C-H, bitch. Female dog. Priest. Priest is masculine, male, and priest is pujaran, that is feminine gender. So here I have told you both masculine gender and feminine gender. So masculine denotes to males, persons or animals, and feminine denotes to females, persons or animals. So next is common gender. So I told you that what is common gender? Common gender is noun that denotes or tells us that the noun is both male and female. Both male or female. So common gender is noun that denotes both males or females, persons or animals. So parent, you all know parent, mother and father. So parent word, parent noun denotes both mummy and papa, and they both are masculine and feminine, male or female. Parent. Next is doctor. Doctor can be male doctor or female doctor. Again, doctor is a noun and doctor denotes both male doctor and female doctor. So, doctor can be male and female also. So, these are the examples of common gender. Like this, teacher also. Teacher can be male teacher or female teacher, like I am female teacher and any other sir in the school is male teacher. Okay, so teacher is also common gender. Teacher can be male or female. So this is the example of teacher is the example of common gender. Now last is the neuter gender. Neuter gender. N-E-U-T-E-R, neuter. So neuter gender. Neuter gender noun that denotes to non-living things that doesn't have life. तो जो भी non-living things हैं जिनकी life नहीं होती है, that does not have life, are called neuter gender. Neuter N denotes to non-living things. Okay, so like this you can learn neuter. The word starts from N and the neuter gender denotes to non-living things. Like this marker. Marker is non-living. It doesn't have life. So marker is non-living and this is neuter gender. Table. Table is again neuter. And chair. Chair is also neuter. Pen. These are the examples of neuter gender. Okay. So, I have told you 4 genders that is in your syllabus. First one is masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. Third is common gender. And the fourth is neuter gender. So, masculine word starts with M. So, you can learn like this that masculine gender denotes to males. Noun that denotes to males are called masculine gender. And feminine gender, noun that denotes to females are called feminine genders. Next is common gender. Common gender, nouns that denote males and females. Both males and females are called common genders. Like father, teacher, parent and doctor also. Now next is common and last is neuter. Neuter gender, noun that denotes to non-living things that does not have life are called neuter gender. So now we will move to our exercise from your book. I am explaining you here exercise from your book. So all of you take out your book. Exercise 5.1. First, I will discuss you exercise 5.1. And you will fill it in your book only. Write the masculine gender of the highlighted words in the given space. So what you have to do, in front of the sentence, you have to write the gender, masculine gender of highlighted words. So first question आपका है, you have to write the masculine gender of highlighted word. Masculine gender. So masculine gender, I told you noun that denotes to males, male persons or male animals. So first sentence is, there were several goose and ducks on the farm, and the highlighted word is goose and ducks. So the masculine gender of goose is gander, and duck drakes. So you will write gander, this is already written in your book, and the next is duck, ducka, drakes, male duck, drake. It is already written in your book. Now the next is, my granddaughter is a good girl. So granddaughter, daughter is female and this is feminine gender, and you have to change granddaughter to grandson. So you will write grandson here because son is male. Grandson, and girl you will change it into boy, that is masculine, male of girl. Next is, the empress rewarded the maid servant. So empress is feminine and masculine of empress is emperor. And next is maid servant. So maid का क्या होगा? Man servant. M-A-N, man. S-E-R-V-A-N-T, man servant. This is masculine of maid. The doe and the maid race together. So what is doe? Doe is female deer and you will change it into buck. B-U-C-K, buck. That is male deer. And mare is mare, you will change it into horse, masculine. Fifth is, their grandmother is a widow. So grandmother is female, feminine gender, you will change it into grandfather, grandfather. And widow, widower. Sixth one is, the huntress killed the lioness with a gun. So huntress is the female hunter and male hunter, you will write hunter, H-U-N-T-E-R, hunter. And lioness is female, lion is male, masculine. So you will write here lion. Seventh is, my landlady has 2 nieces. So landlady is female, feminine gender. So you will write landlord. Lord is male. And nieces, feminine gender, and you will write here nephews. Like this you will change it into masculine. And the last is, their sister-in-law is a headmistress. So sister-in-law, sister you will change it into brother, brother-in-law. To make it masculine, brother-in-law. And headmistress to headmaster. So like this you will write the masculine gender of the feminine gender given here in the first question. So now, next question is B1. Change the genders from masculine to feminine and write them in the given space. So what you have to do? You have to change the genders. आपको gender change करने हैं from masculine to feminine. Here masculine genders are given and you have to write the feminine gender of these masculine gender. आपको males को females पे change करना है, masculine को feminine में change करना है. So again I am writing here feminine genders. feminine genders. Females. The dog barked at the shepherd. So dog, again I told you now, bitch, which is feminine. Shepherd, shepherdess. You will add ESS to make it feminine. Next is Anil's brother works as a waiter. So brother is masculine and feminine of brother is sister. And waiter, waitress. So like this you will change it into feminine. Some words we change into from masculine to feminine by adding ESS. हम कुछ masculine genders को ESS लास्ट में जोड़ करके suffix लगा करके क्या बनाते हैं? Feminine बनाते हैं. Next is gentleman. The gentleman is a poet. So gentleman, man is here. So you will change it into gentlewoman. Gentlewoman. To make it feminine. And poet, poetess. Kavitri, poetess. You will add ESS. Fourth is, the poet was rewarded by the prince. Again, poet is masculine, male. You will write poetess. And the next highlighted word is prince. You will write princess to make it feminine. Like this. Fifth one is the count owns a stallion. So count is masculine and you will write countess here. Like this. And stallion, male. Horse. Stallion is horse. And you will change it into male. Next word is the boy. Next sentence is the boy wants to be a priest. So boy is masculine and you will change it into feminine, that is girl. Boy ka girl and priest, priestess. I told you. Seventh is the duke was a bachelor. So duke is male and feminine of duke is duchess. D-U-C-H, Dutch, E-S-S, Duchess. And next is bachelor, spinster, S-P-I-N-S-T-E-R, spinster, female of bachelor. Next is who will be the heir of the present duke. So heir मतलब उत्तराधिकारी. तो इसका feminine when you will change it, you will add ESS at last. Heirs. H-E-I-R-E-S-S. And duke, again you will write duchess to make it feminine. So these are feminine gender of the given masculine genders. So like this you will fill it in your book. So these were the questions of exercise 5.1. And you have to do it in your book only. And 2 or 3 more questions are here. So you have to do it. Change the genders given in the brackets and fill in the blanks. So here in front of the sentence, some words are given here, genders are given here. You have to change it. आपको इसको accordingly change करना है. Like first is peahen. So peahen को आप change करेंगे. Peahen is feminine gender and you will change it into peacock. Next is god. God is male, masculine gender and you will change it into goddess. Bitch is feminine and you will change it into dog. Cow is feminine. Bull, you will change it. Duck, drake. I told you here. Grandson, again you will change it into granddaughter. Horse, I told you horse, male. You will change it into feminine, male. Last is giant, and you will change it into giantess. You will add ESS at last and you will make it feminine like this. So giant is असुर या राक्षस, और जो इसकी फीमेल होगी वो राक्षसी होगी. So like this you will do it. Next question is underline the common genders. Now what you have to do, you have to underline the common genders. आपको question में common genders को underline करना है. So you all know common genders, both males and females. So in the first question, there are 51 teachers in our school. So again, teacher I told you, I explained you, can be male or female, both. So teacher is common. Teacher is common gender. So you will underline teacher here in the first sentence. Now next is the restaurant was filled with people. People can be males or females. So you will underline people here in the sentence. Common gender. Third is the soldiers fought bravely. So in this sentence, soldiers can be males or females, that is common. So you can write, you can underline soldiers here. Fourth is the doctor examines the patients. So again, patients and doctor, both are common gender. Doctors and patients. The doctor and patients, both are common gender. Patient can be male or female. Last is this book belongs to my friend. So friend can be male friend or female friend. So friend is common gender. So like this you will underline it in your book only. So the last question is encircle the neuter gender. So now you have to circle neuter gender. Neuter you all know, non-living. The chair is made of wood. So chair is non-living. So you will write chair. You will circle chair. Next is we have a car and a scooter. So both car and scooter, both are non-living. So you will encircle car and scooter here. My pen has no ink. So pen is also neuter. My books are in the bag. Books and bag, both are neuter, non-living. Books and bag, both. The hungry dog barked to see the bone on the plate. So again, plate is neuter gender. So today I discussed chapter genders and what are genders and how many genders are in the English grammar in your syllabus. So genders I told you, and the kinds also I told you. So we will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.